at na-impeach po ng 1/3 ng House at hinatulan po ng kagalang-galang na Senado, maski Pangulo po ng bansa o pangalawang Pangulo po ng bansa, tanggal po yan. Maski po Chief Justice dahil ganun po. Kagalang-galang Bong Revilla, alam naman po ninyo ang pagrespeto ko po sa inyo. Pinakita ko lamang po yun na maski, halimbawa si Chis Escudero, Honorable Chis Escudero, sa susunod na election, mag-number 1 din po siya katulad nyo. Maski ilang milyon po yung bumoto sa kanya, pag sinabi po ng dalawa, bawat tatlo na miyembro po dito, because isa lamang po ang dahilan na pwede po tayong tanggalin ng ating Kamara. Disorderly behavior lamang po. Yung medyo kulang po kasi, ano po bang Tagalog lang disorderly behavior, parang ang nadukot ko na po Tagalog, yung ang gulo-gulo, magulo. Di ba? Disorderly behavior, magulong. Yun lamang po ang ibig kong sabihin na Ginoong Pangulo. At kung yun po ay iba ang dating o pagka-intindi na iba, ako po ay humihingi ng patawad at paumanhin, pero malayo po sa aking intensyon na babanggitin ko na magulo ng sino man po dito. Wala po yun.
We note the statement of the honorable gentleman from the House. The gentleman from Cavite has the floor.
Well, Mr. President, nasaktan lang ako doon sa point na sinabi niya na ang gulo-gulo. Baka maguluhan din ng taong bayan na isipin nila na Senator Bong Revilla ay nanggugulo sa Senado. Mr. Congressman, matagal nating iniingatan yung pangalan natin. Tagal nating binuo yan. Kailangan maging maingat tayo sa mga salitang bibitawan natin. I do respect you. You're a friend of my dad. Pero igalang nyo ang bawat isa sa amin dito.
Opo. Katulad nga po ng sinabi ko po, ang taas-taas po ng paggalang ko sa inyong lahat po. Kaya maliwanag po na hindi
Apology accepted.
Salamat po.
All right. Let us end this discussion. Let's proceed with the case.
Yes, with that, Mr. President, I move to dispense with the reading of the Journal of February 7, 2012 of the Senate sitting as an impeachment court and consider the same as approved.
Any objection? The chair hears none. The journal is approved.
Mr. President,
Majority Floor Leader.
there was a motion for consideration filed by Senator Defensor Santiago in a letter yesterday, which we took up into caucus. May I be allowed to read the resolution of the court after the decision was made this afternoon? This noon. This resolves the motion for reconsideration filed on 7 February 2012 by Senator Judge Miriam Defensor Santiago on 6 February 2012 resolution of this impeachment court granting the prosecution's request for subpoena to the responsible officers of the Philippine Savings Bank, PS Bank, and the Bank of the Philippine Islands, but subject to specific limits. At today's caucus, Senator Judge Vicente Soto III moved to adopt the motion for reconsideration made by Senator Defensor Santiago. In view of the contrary view on the ruling of the impeachment court expressed by Senator Judge, through a motion for reconsideration, a vote to consider the motion is necessary. After deliberating on the issue, the majority resolved not to consider the motion for reconsideration. For the information of the court, Mr. President.
Any comment from the members of the court? None? Let's proceed with the trial. The prosecution is still presenting its evidence. You may proceed.
If Your Honor, please.
The defense counsel?
Yesterday, Your Honor, I request permission from this honorable court to allow me to conduct my cross-examination of the witness on this stand, Mr. Anduisa, Your Honor. We are now ready, Your Honor, to cross-examine Mr. Anduisa.
Precisely. Let the witness who is supposed to be under cross-examination today be brought to the chamber. Take the witness stand to be cross-examined.
Mr. President, before we proceed...
The Majority Floor Leader?
Yes, before we proceed with the cross-examination, Mr. President, for the information also of the court, we have an urgent petition for certiorari and prohibition with prayer for immediate issuance of temporary restraining order and writ of preliminary injunction by Chief Justice Corona, and in receipt also of a petition for certiorari and prohibition under Rule 65 of the 1997 Rules of Procedure with the application for TRO and a writ of preliminary injunction by the Philippine Savings Bank and Pascual M. Garcia III, and also motion to defer action on subpoena of banks and motion to stop reception of evidence. Mr. President, with the permission of the Chamber, I move that the body go into caucus immediately to resolve these issues before we go into the cross-examination proper of the trial, Mr. President. So move.
What's the pleasure of the court? No objection? With due respect to you, the distinguished head of the Defense Council, will you allow us to go into a caucus first before you proceed with your cross-examination so that we can discuss these new matters that were brought to our attention just a while ago so that we can deal with them accordingly?
Yes, Your Honor. Very willingly.
Thank you. Trial suspended and all the members of the court will go into caucus.
Pansamantalang sinuspinde ang trial, day 14 po ng paglilitis ni Chief Justice Renato Corona para magbigyan daan ng isang caucus o pagpupulong sa pagitan ng mga senator judges tungkol dito sa mga mosyon na idinulog sa Korte Suprema ng kampo ni Chief Justice Renato Corona at maging ng isa sa mga bangko na pinapasubpina itong bank officials at bank records ng punong mahistrado.
Makikita nga natin na may pagsimula po ng trial, may tatlong senador na nagbigay ng kanilang mga napapansin o mga gustong masabi sa korte. Simulan natin kay Senator TG Gingono na sinabi niya na baka daw may nag-aagam-agam ng mga tao na magkakaroon ng isang constitutional crisis. At sabi ni TG Gingono na ang impeachment po ay the people's way for accountability. It is a class of its own, meaning sui generis siya, and it is the sole, or it has the sole power to try and decide the cases. At syempre, nasundan siya ng isa pang pagtalakay ni Senator Pia Cayetano ukol sa sinabi nga ni Representative Fariñas. At siguro, mga Tati Cathy, may dalawang bagay na na-point out sa mga nabanggit ni Senator Fariñas kahapon.
At kanina rin ay nagbigay ng warning itong presiding officer, Senate President Juan Ponce Enrile, na he will apply the full force of the law to ensure that the people inside the impeachment court will observe proper decorum. Palagay ko ito yung naging dahil sa naging palitan ng salita sa pagitan ni Congressman Fariñas at ng ilan sa mga senator judges kahapon. Ngunit agad namang nag-apologize itong si Prosecutor Fariñas. At
nakahirit nga ulit si Senator Judge Bong Revilla na the apology is accepted.
At kanina rin inanunsyo ni Senator Vicente Soto III itong pag-deny ng mayorya ng mga senator judges sa motion for reconsideration ni Senadora Miriam Defensor Santiago. At kasama natin ngayon pa rin ang isa sa ating mga legal experts, Attorney Joey Bernabe. Magandang hapon muli, Attorney Bernabe.
Magandang hapon, Cathy. Magandang hapon, Gio.
Attorney, ngayon na nag-rule na po yung court